Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 13, Python Functions with Arguments and Return Values. Function arguments are values you pass into a function. They make functions flexible by allowing different inputs during each call. Python supports positional, keyword, default, and variable length arguments. These allow different ways to send values to a function. The return statement allows a function to send a result back to the caller. You can return one or more values separated by commas. The print function only displays output, while return gives data back to the program so it can be reused later. Using arguments and return values makes your functions reusable, dynamic, and modular, an essential practice for clean code. This diagram shows how a function is defined, receives arguments, processes them, and returns values to the main program. Here is an example that defines a function to multiply two numbers and return their product. When this program runs, it prints the returned product value from the function. This example defines a function with two positional arguments and returns their sum. The output of example 1, function with positional arguments, is as follows. Sum 8. Here, the function greet uses a default argument. If no name is passed, it greets guest. The output of example 2, function with default argument, is as follows. Hello, guest. Hello, Alice. This example shows how a function can return multiple values which can be unpacked into separate variables. The output of example 3, returning multiple values, is as follows. Sum 9, product 20. This example uses keyword arguments so that the order of parameters does not matter when calling the function. The output of example 4, keyword arguments, is as follows. My name is Bob and I am 25 years old. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Write a function add_numbers that takes two arguments and returns their sum. Use the return statement to send the sum back and print it outside the function. Exercise 2. Create a function greet_user that accepts a name and prints a greeting message. Use string concatenation or f-strings to include the name in the message. Exercise 3. Define a function calculate_area that takes length and width and returns the area. Multiply the two parameters and return the result. Exercise 4. Write a function divide that returns both quotient and remainder of two numbers. Use the division and modulus operators and return both values together. Exercise 5. Create a function display_info with default argument country equals India and print name in country. Use a default parameter and display the output using formatted strings. Thank you for watching episode 13. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.